5 pizzas enter, but only one can leave with the coveted title of Best Single Cheese Pizza Slice Near Me. Starring me, Gruber Eats. The Girlfriend.
Oh, you look very spookily lit with your phone light.
That way? I know.
Our first stop is Dee's Pizza, which is short for Dee's is a pizza place. The pizza was actually so crisp, the camera's microphone was even able to pick it up.
That sounds crisp.
It does. Hello.
Hello. I'm not recording, don't worry about it.
Overall, it was a pretty strong start to our pizza journey. You can see the ratings here in our innovative pizza rating system. Our second stop is One's Pizza, because we each had one slice of pizza. The owner actually noticed us filming.
Pizza.
And I hope it gets a good review.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the girlfriend couldn't quite eat the cheese on her pizza. It was overall okay. Nothing really stood out. Let's see those pizza scores.
Success!
Number 3, which has been codenamed Cheese Pizza, because, as Shakespeare would say, 'tis a pizza. 2 out of the 3 judges didn't really like the cheese on the top of this one, finding it kind of oddly cheddary and salty, but the girlfriend liked it. I think this was her favorite cheese overall. Maybe because the manager was nice and gave her some free hand sanitizer. I don't know. Let's see those scores! Place number 4 has been dubbed Pizza 4 because this was the 4th one and I'm running out of clever naming ideas. This one was actually rolled out and made fresh right in front of us. In fact, it was so fresh that we had trouble eating it.
We're gonna give it a minute.
Okay,
So-
autofocus.
Yeah, I'm gonna... no.
Well, now Andrew can't eat it.
I destroyed the pizza.
Too hot. 3
Did
hours.
it fall apart?
This is gonna be a great part of the video. I'll put sad music over
Very
it.
sad.
It'll start going grayscale. I'll be like, da, 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 da,
No!
da, da.
Let's see how this impacted our judges' ratings. And thus, our party arrives at pizza place number 5. To be honest, we're all pretty tired of pizza at this point, even when we took like an hour break between pizzas 3 and 4. This one didn't really stand out either. The bottom was slightly burnt, and we were way more interested in trying to figure out what was playing on the television than actually tasting the pizza.
Sauce is okay.
I'm just zooming in and out a bunch. It's very funny.
We're trying to figure out what
it's,
this movie is. Don't show it. Don't show it.
I know what it is. I know what it is.
Yeah.
The Denzel Washington. Equalizer? Equalizer.
Oh!
It stinks getting old. Let's see those final scores.
No contest!
So other than the girlfriend, who put place number 3 as her favorite, the rest of the judges selected place number 1, which means we could have just had one slice of pizza that day and stopped there. A lesson well learned. If you're interested in more videos like this, leave a comment down below. Please. It's the only thing that gives my life meaning, now that I have been eating too much pizza. Cinder, stop making noise back there! Stop destroying cardboard! What are you doing?